I don't think I've ever been shocked in my life. It was so shocking. I screamed like, I want to share my fondest 1st of December memory, like the best I've ever had. And this happened on the 1st of December 2016, a very long time ago. Around the ending of November, my mom told me that she wants us to do something. She wants both of us to challenge ourselves and see who will surprise the other person the most. Like who will give the most shocking surprise between me and her. Will she be the one to surprise me the most, or will I be the one to surprise her the most? And I said, yes, no problem. So she was making her plans. I was making mine. Well, I wasn't really making any plans because I was confused. I didn't know what to do. I was just thinking. And then my sister-in-law was with us. So both of us were thinking, what can I do? What can I do? And each time my mom would be looking at me like, I have something coming for you. And I would be like, no, don't worry, me. Eh. I'll just make him out. Then on the 1st of December, 2016, she went to work, and before she went, she was like, today is the day. And I was like, I am ready, ever ready. I didn't know anything. I was so confused. I didn't know what to do. So I and my sister-in-law, we decided to go to the market and buy things to decorate the house for Christmas. And we did that because we had just moved to a new house in the same area, but we moved to a bigger and better place. And that was like our very first Christmas there. We didn't have any of the decorations and all of that. So we decided to go to the market to buy Christmas trees, decorations, and all of that, and decorate the house before my mom comes back. That was my surprise for her. So I was thinking, what does this one have for me? What surprise? How is she going to shock me? Like I couldn't come up with anything. So as we were decorating, no, before we went to the market, a friend of mine called me, a close friend of mine, and he said he wanted to take me out that day. I didn't want to go. I was like, does this guy know that I have a lot to do? Like so at first I didn't want to go, but he insisted and said he won't waste time. He just wants to take me out so that we can just sit down, gist, and he'll bring me back home. And I was like, okay, no problem. That was in the morning. So I and my sister-in-law went to the market, and we got back and started arranging and decorating the house. And before I knew what was going on, it was time for me to go and meet this my friend, or it was time for him to come and pick me. I can't remember correctly. So we went out, and as we were there, I was eating, we're gisting, talking, and I can't really remember what he said. I can't remember how he did it, but all I remember was that he brought out this bag, like a big, it was a transparent bag, yeah, where they put cosmetics in, but it was a big one, and he kept it on the table and said, that was my surprise. I don't think I've ever been shocked in my life. It was so shocking. I screamed like, my mom contacted my friend to surprise me. And the best part is that she got 25 gifts, made 25 really cute bags. My mom is a fashion designer, by the way. She works in a widow's ministry. So she made beautiful, little small bags, depending on the size of the gift, different bags, red, green, and then the ribbon. The ribbon she used were Christmassy, beautiful. And then she put 25 different things inside with notes. Some of them had notes, and I was supposed to open one each day from the 1st of December until the 25th of December. That was a surprise for me. I was like, I never would have thought. Like, she shocked me. I called her. I was screaming. I was so happy. Like, my mom is so precious. Like, that was really amazing. And then every single day from that day, because I had to pick one that day, I would just put my hand, take out one, unwrap it, and it would be a beautiful gift. Beautiful, good, really thoughtful gifts. And in fact, even money was even included. So yeah, that was really that was like my fondest memory of 1st of December. And when I got back home with my gift, my sister-in-law was excited. We were excited. And when she came back, she met her own surprise. Like the house was fully decorated. The Christmas lights were shining. Before then, we didn't even have a Christmas tree. So the Christmas tree was there. Like everything was just beautiful. And she was happy. She was happy that she shocked me, because she did. And she was also happy with her own surprise. So tell me, who do you think surprised each other the most? Me or her? Remember, you're on my page, oh, not on her page. So my block button is still very effective. So pick wisely. Let me know in the comment section. This is definitely something that you can try out with your kids, your friends, loved ones, and just surprise them and make their Christmas. Also, let me know if you've ever had anything like this, like a surprise for Christmas, December. Let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll see you tomorrow. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.